This guy is out of control.
And they've turned this gym into a hunting ground.
I have an undercover case.
There's only one officer who can infiltrate the gym and take them down.
Do you want it bad enough to do whatever it takes to make it to the top, to be a champ?
I'd do anything for a second chance. I mean, absolutely.
Welcome to the big leagues.
I'm in.
I'm fully capable of taking care of myself, you know.
Bingo. We have a winner.
Then just tell us what we want to know.
Shane Miner, Danielle House, Chris Byrne, Grant Mathis. Solid cover. Every cop needs it. Babes. Blood. And bullets.
Is he in there?
25th Anniversary Director's Cut. Coming soon to the bottom shelf at your local video store.
Let's play.
Let's start then.